United for Kids Foundation.
United for Kids Foundation.
We're United for Kids Foundation.
United for Kids Foundation.
We are United for Kids Foundation.
Welcome to our mission to heal Nigeria and indeed the world. One child, one heart, and one smile at a time.
See the faces of the children. See how much they long to smile. Some have forgotten how to be happy. Others lost a childhood away to sun. But you and I, raise out your hands, show that you care. Let's make the world a better place.
United for Kids Foundation started in 2002 when a group of like-minded professionals with the same work ethics and drive came together for the benefit of less privileged children in the society. 13 years and still counting. The vision, objective and responsibilities of our organization has grown way bigger than we could ever have imagined it would when we began in 2002.
The foundation was set up exclusively to provide charity service, a charitable organization that assists children from less privileged homes, from disadvantaged neighborhoods.
Connecting the less privileged child, the child from the disadvantaged background, the poor child, the sick child, and linking them with the middle class, high net worth individual or corporate entity who wants to help.
I would basically say education is our main area, social welfare and healthcare are secondary.
Although the number of children and families seeking support continue to rise, while the pool of donation lags behind, we are committed to creating long-term and sustainable solutions to health, education, and social welfare challenges facing the children, families, and indeed communities that we hold dear.
I'm in primary 1. I'm 7 years old.
7-year-old Chinenye Okafor was identified during one of UKF's activities with an absurd navel growth she had actually been carrying for 6 years. Her parents were overwhelmed and uncertain about how to handle the situation because they knew it required money that they didn't have. But UKF was able to raise 1 million naira in 3 days via a social media campaign, and today, Chinenye is back on her feet. Nigeria's struggling health sector is one core area of focus for United for Kids Foundation, and the annual expense on health-related cases is over 1 million naira on patients' assistance and surgery, over 500,000 naira on prescription of medication, and over 1.5 million naira on care packages on treatment relief programs.
Every third Saturday of the month, our people are at the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital to distribute care packages to kids and their families who are poor and sick.
Another core area of focus for United for Kids Foundation is social welfare, where United for Kids Foundation attempts to bridge the gap between the haves and have-nots. The Nwachukwu family was one of the beneficiaries of the United for Kids Foundation's welfare program in 2014.
When my husband died, just sudden death, now Okada to Okada.
United for Kids Foundation stepped in to give her and the family some glimpse of hope again.
Where I'm living, I'm inside the erosion, inside swamp. They take me up there, look for us, and keep me here for today. Still give me the food to be training these children.
But perhaps the most important area of focus for United for Kids Foundation is education, which is where over 75% of donor funds are spent to fund our intensive and extensively rewarding library programs, scholarship programs, and the highly demanding back-to-school programs. United for Kids Foundation has built state-of-the-art libraries in public schools to help improve the reading culture and invest in pupils' overall well-being. These libraries cost as much as 9 million naira each to erect and equip with modern infrastructure and books. The cost also includes staff salaries and administration costs to ensure that children get maximum benefits from the libraries.
My name is Bana Mohammed. I'm from Federal Association Primary School. I'm 13 years old. I want to be footballer in my future.
My name is Mohammed Iya. I am from Kurama Nursery and Primary School. I am 12 years. I would like to be a musician.
My name is Olukoya John. I'm from Archbishop Taylor Memorial Nursery and Primary School. I am 13 years old. I want to become a president.
Word about the miracles happening within United for Kids libraries have gotten to the streets, and there is an increasing demand from pupils and teachers from various schools for more UKF libraries. Through these library activities, various pupils with good prospects are identified for scholarship programs. Olamide Ologun is an example of the transformation potentials of the United for Kids Foundation Library Program, beneficiary of the Day Waterman College Scholarship Reward in excess of 30 million naira for his education all through secondary school. This year, 6 different students have benefited from the scholarship programs to study at Tuanshi High School. Malik Abdulrazak, Onye Eke, Ugochukwu Agu, Michael Okpara, Tomiwa Pimponsu, and Funke Anifowoshe.
My name is Anifowoshe Funke. I'm just as well. I'm so happy to be in Tuanshi High School.
When she told me that she's going for exam, in my own mind, about to discourage her not to go. So when she now come back, and I said, Mommy, I said, but I've told you not to go to this thing. You know my position, I don't have money.
The United for Kids Foundation Back to School program was a direct response to the UNESCO report that stated even though primary school education is free in Nigeria, many parents cannot afford to send their children to school because they cannot provide basic needs like uniforms, books, and essential school supplies.
And when we first started, we didn't even have rucksacks. We had to use almost like kitchen bags, not paper bags, but those bags that we just sew and put together, and the smile on these kids' faces, pencil, erasers, exercise, things that you really take for granted.
This year we'll be doing 15,000 children, and it's expensive. It costs us 2,000 naira to buy a pack for each child. So if we're doing 15,000 children this year, we're looking for 30 million naira. You kind of rely on us that we're going to bring the notebooks, and we're going to bring the things they're going to use in school. The backpack has got pencils, crayons, erasers, notebooks, math sets, everything they need to be in school.
United for Kids Foundation also organizes summer camp programs for children graduating from primary school to prepare them psychologically for their higher learning environment in secondary schools. The summer camps feature classroom activities and excursions to places many of these children never imagined they could get access to. Places like media houses, banks, shopping malls, cinemas, and museums. We have a lot of expansion plans because we know that there are millions of children who need us. But funding continues to be a major constraint for us. Our financial commitment has been on the rise since 2002, hitting over 35 million naira in 2014, with a projected rise to about 50 million naira in 2015 and more in the coming years. Supporting United for Kids Foundation is, however, not all about money. We also need your time and expertise in order to achieve our objective. We have come this far thanks to the generous support of people like you. We therefore count on you to continue going and growing on this important and life-saving mission. For questions, donations, and support, please contact info@unitedforkidsfoundation.org or visit www.unitedforkidsfoundation.org.